doll site on the doll site on the doll site on the
So it is you.
Hello, madam. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Let's meet you, please.
My name is Shoboale M. Taiwo, one of the third set of Mixology Project Loud that just passed out now.
Madam,
Yes.
would I say welcome back because we are seeing you again. You want to be run like you are running for election. You want to take repeat class. I remember our governor say, "Oh, no, repeat class." Then you
No.
guys say class again.
No, I came for two things. One, I told Mr. Kenny that they should help us tell the governor that they should include food processing and soap making. And he said he will get back to us. Then I also came for my last round registration. I did mixology. I've never heard of mixology, but when I came, they explained to me, and I did it. It was very interesting, and lots of practicals that you'll be able to do it. You get quality and quantitative education. They will teach you well. You will practice. It's not just the teacher talking. The students will do practical too. So you'll be able to comprehend it better.
So if you are to rate your experience while attended the program, what would you say?
I'll say 9 over 10. 9 over 10.
9 over 10.
Yes.
So it's not complete yet, meaning that there is room for improvement.
Yes.
So what are you doing here visiting Latra official?
I was out of the country for some time, so I came for my last one.
So why do you think you need to do Latra?
It's very compulsory. I might use it for entitlement or grants or whatever in Lagos State. I can use it to apply.
So therefore there are so many benefits
Yes.
when you have Latra.
Yes, you have. You have.
I would like you to advise other students like you, particular students, anyone who does not have Latra to try and do exactly as you did.
I will advise all other past students, if you don't have your last year, kindly come and get it here in Project Loud at Barracks. It's very conducive. As you can see, we are inside AC class, and it's very easy.
So once again, tell us your name and say congratulations to all your classmates for completing successful program.
The name of my own class is Minded Mixology. I'd like to congratulate all my classmates. We did well, and I expect all of us. We are even planning, because here they help us register our business. We pay through Kuda, so we have registered. They are going to help us register, and they are even going to help us to apply for grants or small loan to start up our business. From Lagos State Trust Fund, yes. And I'd like to say a big thank you to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu for being there for us. Yes, they are really helping us. They are helping small scale and large scale to develop.
Please do tell the citizens not to take this opportunity for granted because they can achieve so many things with this.
I will advise all citizens, if you are interested and you want to learn handwork, because I believe it's not only through education that you can make it. You also need your handwork to complement your education. And I will also advise, or would like to advise, that they should expand some of the programs.
On that note, I want to say thank you so much for your time.
You are
We are
welcome.
very, very indeed grateful to have you once again on our screen.
Minded Mixology.
So when you open your store, please invite us. Let's come and
The name of my store is Paparazzi TMI, my mixology.
When do you want us to come and have free champagne?
In the next, I'll be ready in the next 3 months because I'm setting it up yet.
Please, do give us an invitation to come and, see something.
I'll post it on the forum.
We need an invitation.
I'll post it to Dara.
Okay, we look forward to that. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.